Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, subscribe, like already, comment already. Pretty sure you can tell what this video is about based off the title, but just in case you can't read, it's about how I got this stretched heatless blowout. I like to call it a textured blowout because it's not as smooth as an actual blowout. But if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. To begin, I'm starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair. First thing I'll do is I'm going to section this off. And I'm going to take a tiny bit of leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to take a little bit of oil. Put that on my hair. Yes, baby. Yes. Then I'm going to take these tiny elastic bands. Make a little ponytail at my root to keep my hair straightened. Well, stretched. Keep it stretched at the root. Then I'm going to take my generic Tangle Teaser brush. Get this section as smooth as possible. Now I'm going to plait it or braid it or whatever you want to call it. Then at the bottom, I'm going to make sure it's nice and smooth and twirl it around my finger. Like so. Now, on to the rest of these sections. Okay, my hair is finally done. Quick tip, when waiting for your hair to dry, pull your plaits to each side of your head and bobby pin them down so that they stay stretched while they dry. But now I'm just gonna wait for all of these to dry, and when they're dry, I'll take them down, comb them out, and you'll see the final result. Hi guys, so it's been overnight. My hair is officially dry and ready for me to take it down. I can admit I did not wrap it last night. I was just too tired and shame on me, I know. But I'm ready to take these out and see my heatless blowout. All the rubber bands popped out, which is exactly why I like using that kind, because they're so gentle that they don't even stay really. By the time they popped out, my roots are already dry, so it was okay. It's pretty easy stuff though. What I'm doing is taking it down. As I'm taking it down, I'm kind of like sticking my thumb in between the pieces. Like kind of finger detangling as I take it down. And then kind of opens it up a little bit. Makes it a little fluffier so that when I go to comb it out, it can be even bigger. And I've noticed there's one main difference between this heatless blowout and my blowout that I use heat with, and that is this section. Like you see the ends, like how dense it is, and it still has a couple little curls in it no matter what, but that's okay. That's okay. You still got the big, almost blown out look. It's like a textured blowout. See what I mean? But I really like how it turned out. It gives me versatility and it's really easy to manage throughout the week. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.